welcome to this video. In this video I want to tell you something. Every web developer, whenever they create websites, what they do, they create websites on their local host, and after creating the websites they upload it on the live server, and we will do the same. No one upload the website first on the live server and then they create it, then they upload the theme, and then they do all this stuff and settings. What they do, they always create the website on localhost, they apply their theme, they apply their settings, they set up all the website, and then they upload on the live server. That's what we will do. Alright, we will install the WordPress on the localhost, we will apply our theme, we will apply settings, we will do everything, and then we will upload it on the live server. Okay, to set up the WordPress on localhost we need to do one thing, and that is we need to download the server that will support WordPress on our local or on our machine. Okay, and the name of the software is XAMPP. Okay, you can use XAMPP or VAMP, whatever you want. Now to download XAMPP, all you need to do is go to Google, or you can directly search here. I'm gonna go to Google, type XAMPP, click on the first link. Here you can see XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for OS X. You can do according to your requirements. Okay, if you are on Mac you can use this, if you are on Linux you can use this, and if you are on Windows like I am, you can use this. Okay, and everything will be the same, either you are on Linux or you are on Mac or you are on Windows. Alright, you don't need to be worried. Now I have already installed it on my local machine. All you need to do is just download it and install it wherever you want. So after installing it, what you need to do is open the folder where you installed it. I installed it in my D drive, documents, and in this folder, here it is, XAMPP. I installed it here. Okay, go to XAMPP. Now find the folder htdocs. Here it is, htdocs. Open it. Now remove everything that you will see in this folder. Okay, I removed everything. Okay, and I created a lot of websites and I put all of those websites in my in a folder, my websites. Okay, when you will remove all of everything from this htdocs folder, it will be empty. Now all you need to do is create a new folder and type the name of the website that you want to create or the blog that we want to create. So I'm gonna go for just WordPress. Oops. You can type the name of blog that you want to create. Okay, but I'm gonna go for WordPress. Okay, so we will save our WordPress website in this WordPress folder. Now what we need to do, we need to download WordPress. Okay, I'm gonna go for WordPress. Like I explained in the previous video, WordPress.org is for WordPress. We download WordPress from WordPress.org. Click on download WordPress. Now click on download WordPress 4.3.1. I'm gonna download it in the downloads folder. Save. So it's gonna take a while to download, and it will come in the downloads folder. Documents, download. Alright, it is downloaded. Now all you need to do is cut this from here, go to your htdocs, documents, XAMPP, htdocs, WordPress, the folder we created, and paste it here. Now extract it, extract here. I'm gonna delete it, open it. Now as we have already created this WordPress folder, we don't need another folder inside it, so I'm gonna just cut all of these files and I'm gonna paste it here. I'll remove this folder. Okay, so here it is, our website, which is WordPress. I'm gonna open it, and here's all of our files. Now what we need to do is open the XAMPP. We will open XAMPP, and then we will be able to set up our WordPress. So I'm gonna click on XAMPP control. Like you can see, these two services are are already started, but it will not be the case if you are just installed the exam. So these all will be stopped automatically. So all you need to do is just click on Apache start and MySQL start. These two services are just started. Now what you need to do is just open your browser, go to localhost, click on WordPress. Amazing. Now we're gonna set up what it says welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding. So WordPress wants us to create a database. To create the database on localhost, all you need to do is just go to localhost/php myadmin. Okay, here we need to create a database. Go to databases. I know a lot of you guys will be confused what I'm doing, but I promise you that just stick with me and you will be a great blogger after this whole course. Just do what I'm doing, alright? I will explain all this step by step, alright? So those of you guys who have already experience with this localhost, it will be easy for you guys, but those of you who are new, don't worry, just do as I'm doing. If you face any problem, just add a discussion and I will answer to you as soon as possible. Okay, now it's time to create the database. I'm gonna name the database as WordPress. Click on create. Here it is created and this is WordPress. Okay, first step is done. Now click on let's go. Okay, now it is asking about the database name that we created. The name of the database is WordPress, so it's okay, WordPress. Now it is asking about the username of our localhost, this localhost. I have a username but I don't have a password. The username is basically for almost all the localhosts is root. Okay, and I don't have a password to my localhost, and I hope you will also don't have a password if you have done the same thing like I did. Okay, but if you have a password, you can write the password here. Okay, database host, yeah, keep it at it, as it is. Table prefix wp underscore, keep it as it is. So I'm gonna click submit. Okay, done. It's time to install it. Everything is okay. Now it's gonna install the WordPress. Click on run the install. Great. WordPress is installed. Now it's time to provide some additional information about our website. Site title. For example, I'm gonna create the website about health. The name of my website will be let's say health or whatever, according to your niche, whatever you want to create, just put it right here. Now the username is very important. When you want to log into WordPress, you will need to provide your username. In this case, I'm gonna write my name. And password, this is a weird password. I'm gonna write a simple one. I'm gonna say you should keep the strong password. Okay, the strongest password, as strongest password as possible, but I'm gonna keep it simple for the sake of tutorial. I'm gonna say hello world. Hello world is my password. Confirm use of weak password, yes. It's time to provide the email address, so I'm gonna enter my own, which is usmanudemy at gmail.com. Okay, install WordPress. It's installing the WordPress. It will take a while. Okay, done. WordPress is installed. It's time to log in. You can close this tab, we don't need it now. Okay, now the username. Remember the username that we entered, and what was the password? Passwords hello world. The H was capital. Okay, log in. Come on. Okay, we are logged in. So this is it. This is the back end of our website. To open the front end, click on health, right click, open a new tab. This will open our WordPress. So this is the front end. This is where our blog will be. This look totally weird because this theme is basically the default theme of WordPress. We don't want this. We will apply our blog theme, okay? And we will do everything that a blog must have, like share buttons and uh, amazingly designed sidebars and posts and everything. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have followed this and you will set up the WordPress like I did on the local host, and we will do everything on the local host, and then at the end we will upload our WordPress blog to the live server, and I will show you how you can upload. Okay, so just stick with me like I'm doing, and if you face any problem, just add a discussion. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video we will apply our theme and do all the cool stuff to our blog. So see you in the next video.